We didn't always live like this. We never used to mass produce. Growing up, my mum was a fashion designer. She had multiple stores down at Paddy's markets in Sydney. And from the time I was 7, I was dressed head to toe in her creations, hair curled the night before, helping her sell merchandise. We were true market folk. Week after week, I'd wander the aisles, legs a little stiff from standing, and I'd go visit other stores, trading, finding treasures, literal gold. There was a beautiful gold merchant, stunning handbags, incredible shoes. I was surrounded by fashion pretty much my whole life. As a little girl, I'd mix with people from all over the world. I was that bubbly kid in a great outfit playing with everyone's trinkets. Sometimes they loved me and sometimes maybe not. But I was never scared. I'd visit the animals, the bunnies, the kittens, even chickens, celebrating the week's hard work. Those markets shaped who I am. Curious, fearless, and always searching for beauty. Yeah, good old days. So before you buy, stop and ask, where has this come from? If you can't answer that, put it down. Come find the conscious fashion community that is fighting every single day to keep the light. Come find me instead. Come find your local pre-loved shop owner. Get in communication with them and say, look, my son needs a white t-shirt. Keep interacting. Because no haul, no matter how sparkly, no matter how tempting it is, no matter how shiny it is, how beautiful it looks, no matter if you're running out of time and you've just got a last minute thing, it's just not worth a child's freedom.